Time to cook like a pro. Listen up, you lot. In today's world, everyone's chasing their tails, grabbing whatever's quick and easy, but when it comes to food, that convenience often comes at the cost of your health and your bloody wallet. It's time to ditch the processed crap and get back to basics. Cooking from scratch might sound intimidating, like some Michelin star nightmare, but I'm here to tell you it's the best decision you'll ever make. When you cook from scratch, you're the bloody boss. You decide exactly what goes into your food. No more hidden nasties, no more wondering what Frankenstein ingredients they've snuck in. You're in control of the salt, the sugar, the fat, the whole bloody lot. Want to cut back on the bad stuff? Easy. Use fresh herbs, spices, a squeeze of lemon, boom. Flavor explosion without the crap. And don't even get me started on those pre-packaged meals. They're loaded with enough sodium to make a salt mine jealous. Cooking at home means you're giving your body what it needs. Real fresh ingredients that fuel your performance. Listen, you wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? Your body deserves the best fuel too. When you cook with fresh ingredients, you're getting a boatload of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that those processed meals can only dream of. And portion control? Forget those oversized restaurant plates. You're in charge now. You decide how much goes on your plate, which means you're more likely to stay on track with your health goals. Let's be honest, some of those restaurants are dirtier than my trash bin after a busy service. You never know what's lurking in those kitchens, but when you cook at home, you control the hygiene. You wash your hands, you clean your surfaces, you cook your food properly. No more dodgy stomach surprises. And let's talk about cross-contamination. You think they're careful about separating raw chicken from the salad in those takeaways? Please. At home you can be meticulous, ensuring your food is safe and delicious. Chapter 4. Listen, I'm all about quality, but I also love a good bargain. Buying in bulk is a game changer. Stock up on those pantry staples: rice, pasta, beans, canned tomatoes, and watch your grocery bill shrink faster than my patience with a useless chef. And don't even get me started on those deals for single servings. They're robbing you blind. Buy a whole chicken, roast it up, and you've got meals for days. Now that's what I call smart shopping. Chapter 5. Throwing away food is like throwing money in the bin. It's bloody criminal. When you cook from scratch, you're more mindful of what you're using. Leftover roast chicken, boom. Chicken salad, soup, sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. Vegetable scraps, don't you dare throw them out. Roast them up for a flavorful stock. A little creativity goes a long way in the kitchen and saves you a fortune in the long run. Chapter 6. I love a good meal out as much as the next guy, but let's be honest, those restaurant markups are outrageous. You're paying for the ambience, the service, the fancy tablecloths, all for a meal you could have made yourself for a fraction of the price. Cooking at home means you can enjoy delicious restaurant-quality food without the hefty price tag. And the best part, you can take all the credit. Outro. So there you have it. Cooking from scratch isn't just about the food. It's about taking control of your health, your finances, and your life. It's about ditching the shortcuts and embracing the satisfaction of creating something delicious and nutritious with your own two hands. It's time to step up your game. Get in the kitchen and show those ingredients who's boss. Trust me, your body and your wallet will thank you for it.